Welcome back to SB Luxury Auto, your go-to channel for the latest in high-end vehicles, adventure rigs, and next-generation mobility. Today, we bring you an exclusive deep dive into the all-new 2025 Dacia Sandman 4x4 camper van. With its rugged performance, clever design, and compact luxury, this camper van is set to become a game-changer for nomads, weekend warriors, and full-time van lifers alike. Exterior. Let's begin with the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Sandman makes a bold impression. Dressed in a radiant orange metallic finish, this van doesn't try to blend in, it stands out. The silhouette balances adventure and practicality with a raised roof, streamlined profile, and high ground clearance. Black plastic cladding adds durability for off-road trips, while the bold front grille and LED lighting system give it a modern and aggressive personality. You'll notice large side windows tinted for privacy, with sliding doors that open wide. To reveal the interior cabin, the rear features swing-out barn doors, ideal for accessing storage or enjoying open-air camping. Roof rails and side-mounted ladder options make it easier to carry bikes, surfboards, or even a roof tent. Riding on 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, the Sandman is ready for tarmac, gravel, snow, or sand performance. Now let's talk about what powers this beast. Under the hood, the Sandman is equipped with a reliable 2.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering around 170 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque. That might not sound like much compared to modern SUVs, but in the camper world, it's plenty, especially when paired with a well-tuned 6-speed manual or optional automatic gearbox. What truly sets the Sandman apart is its intelligent 4x4 system. With selectable drive modes and hill descent control, it can tackle steep climbs and slippery paths with confidence. The reinforced suspension is designed to handle extra load while providing comfort on long hauls. Whether you're cruising through mountain passes, rolling over muddy trails, or simply parking at a lakeside retreat, the Sandman drives with balance and control. Fuel economy is another big win. Thanks to its diesel powertrain and aerodynamic bodywork, the Sandman returns up to 30 mpg on the highway, impressive for a fully equipped campervan interior. Step inside and you'll see why the Sandman has captured the imagination of so many Vanlifers. The front cabin feels like a high-spec SUV, with a digital driver display, 9-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, voice control, and built-in navigation. The seats are adjustable, comfortable, and wrapped in wipe-clean eco-leather, perfect for active lifestyle. Behind the cockpit lies a thoughtfully designed living space that packs a lot into a small footprint. The layout includes a fold-out bed that doubles as a sofa during the day, a compact kitchenette with a sink, a dual-burner induction hob, a mini-fridge, and overhead storage. There's even a small pull-out dining table for 2 wood accents. Warm lighting and clever storage options give the space a cozy yet modern vibe. A pop-up roof extends headroom and includes a loft-style sleeping area, turning this van into a true 4-person micro-home on wheels. Optional extras like solar panels, roof fans, and portable toilets can be added for those seeking longer trips off-grid. Safety features, of course. Safety is essential, especially for vehicles designed for long travel and unpredictable environments. Dacia has equipped the Sandman with a solid list of safety features, including front and side airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, stability control, hill start assist, and a rear-view parking camera. Advanced features like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are available in higher trims. The body shell uses reinforced steel for greater crash protection, and optional front collision mitigation systems offer peace of mind during highway travel. Whether you're in the city or deep in the countryside, this van is built to protect prices. Now, let's talk numbers. The base model of the 2025 Dacia Sandman 4x4 starts at approximately €52,000 in the European market. That gets you the full 4x4 drivetrain, the basic camper interior with bed and kitchenette, touchscreen and safety tech, upgrading to the high-end trim with features like solar, pop-up roof, full kitchen, and advanced driver assist will cost around €65,000 to €68,000, depending on the spec, compared to other camper vans with similar equipment and 4x4 capability. The Sandman is positioned as a strong value proposition. Dacia has built its reputation on affordability, and even in the camper segment, it's managed to offer an attractive balance between cost, features, and functionality. So, what do we think of the 2025 Dacia Sandman 4x4 camper van? It's practical, capable, stylish, and smartly designed. It's not a luxury bus or a massive motorhome, and that's exactly the point. It's built for real-world adventurers who want to go off-grid without going over budget. Whether you're a couple planning weekend escapes, a solo traveler hitting the open road, or a small family with a taste for nature, the Sandman gives you the freedom to explore without compromise. Thanks for watching SB Luxury Auto. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews, campervan tours, and automotive tech updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and stay adventurous. Let me know if you'd like a shorts version, a translated script, or custom scripts for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or blog posts.